Hey folks, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Today we're going to look at a 2016 leisure travel. This is the island bed floor plan. Great floor plan. So this is a pre-owned. We are the home of the premium pre-owned superstore here at Sandy, Oregon. We are a leisure travel dealer, but we specialize in pre-owned. So today we are looking at a pre-owned, but it does look new. If you look around me, I do have other floor plans here that are new. But don't be confused. This is pre-owned. But it is a 2016 and it does have the newer body style, the nice curvature here. This is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, okay? So a couple nice things about this floor plan. There's a lot of storage, okay? This leisure travel offers 5 coats of paint, 3 color, 2 clear. This does have a power awning with LED lights. These little doodads here will hold the awning from blowing around in the wind. This is a nice storage compartment here. Okay, you have another storage compartment here, as well as your inverters located there. That step does come out automatic. Okay, and then you have some power plugs here. Okay, this is going to be your generator. So you have a nice LP generator on this floor plan, and then here is where you're going to have a another storage compartment, as well as a propane quick disconnect for a barbecuer. Now this is the island bed, so it's a non-slided coach. If I open up this storage bin, you'll notice that you're gonna have a large pass-through storage. This is perfect for kayaks, barbecues, anything that you can put in that area. This is a perfect storage compartment. Because this is a 2016, you're gonna have the removable bumper, so if you do get in a fender bender, you don't have to have the whole back cap replaced like you did in previous floor plans for leisure travel. You do have towing here. It's set up. It's a 5,000 pound towing capacity. There is a built-in backup camera located in the rear here. When you step around to this side, again, this is a non-slided leisure travel floor plan. This is the access to the other side. So as you can see now that both doors are open, you can see how large that area is. Very large. You have nice seamless windows here. They open outwards, so in the northwest when it rains a lot, the rain doesn't come in because they kind of go out this direction to prevent the water from coming in your RV. This side here, if I open up this is where your outdoor shower is going to be. Your propane fill, everything's located very easy to get to, okay? Which is kind of nice. You're not crawling underneath this. This is a very small 25-foot RV. If I go here, this is going to be more storage, okay? And you have 2 storage bins. So in a small RV like this where there's no slide, people always want storage, and this RV offers that. It also has a nice queen walk-around bed in the back that we'll look at here in a minute. This is your water heater located here. This is a diesel RV, so you get 16 to 18 miles per gallon on this RV. If you open up the door, this is where I would fill this up. Now, I did mention this was pre-owned. There's about 15,500 miles on this RV. It looks brand new inside. So when we get inside here, you're going to take a look at this and tell me what you think. Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We are in this 2016 leisure travel island bed. It is an absolute gorgeous RV here. So this is built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. This is a 2016, so you are going to have the smart wheel controls here. All your backup camera will come up on the screen there. You have a nice pull curtain here to, you know, give you some privacy and use this as part of your living room. Now it does have a table that goes right here, so you can sit 4 people around there, and you do have seat belts on either side here. The nice thing about this, being a 2016, there's no armrest like on the newer leisure travels, but you can pull this out on both sides to make a nice little sleeper. So if you do want to bring a guest along, you can pull these out. And there are seat belts, but very simple to use. Corian countertops, a nice little counter extension. You have a 2-burner stove with a nice stainless steel deep sink, okay? There's a lot of storage. I know you saw the outside. This is a very beautiful RV. You have your little garbage holder here. Then you have storage along the whole top of the RV. So if I press the button to unlock, as you can see, storage compartments all the way through. Now this being a 2016, there are some great features like a new one. So this little skylight here does open up, and if you pull this over, it does do some darkening here, and then you do have a nice screen to prevent bugs from coming in. There's 44 hours on the generator. It's a propane generator, so you have an equalizer system on this, and then you have your controls for your inverter. Now this RV also has solar panels that somebody previously added, so that's another nice feature this RV does offer. You have a separate fridge and freezer, and this will keep your ice cream very cold. This is a convection microwave grill. Now your television for the unit here in the living room is located here. Pulls out, okay, and then you also have a nice little pantry for food in there. Now I'm going to tell you about this before I go and show you. So this bathroom door opens up and it clips right here, so it kind of gives you two separate little sleeping areas. You know, so you have your bedroom in the back, but then you also have guests over and you want to keep your bedroom a certain way, you can kind of block that off. And then you have a nice little pull door for your shower and a nice pocket door here in your bathroom. So I'll let you come through so you can kind of take a look. Hold on one second here. Okay, so I'm going to open up the door here and it locks into place. So that is your shower, and I'm 6 foot, so I'll stand in that so you can kind of see that even if you're a little taller than I am, I mean, you fit nice. So it's still, I mean, it's not super large, but it is big enough to shower. Okay, and that's a nice thing. Being 25 feet down the road, to have your own private condo and to be able to pull over and take a shower, that's a nice thing. When I step through here, as you can see, this has a pocket door, so you have your own separate little toilet area. You have some storage and your own private little sink. Now, when I step in the back here, this is the island bed floor plan. So a nice walk around queen bed here. You have storage along the side here. You have closets on either side. Now there is storage underneath the bed here. That's where your table is located for the front there, so it tucks away nice if you don't want that up when you're traveling. And you have two beautiful drawers here for extra storage, and you do have a little storage here on the side. Now this RV does have its own bedroom TV as well, so there is a bedroom TV here. So two people, you know, you can have one person get up there and have coffee, and you can close that door off and have, you know, one person can sleep and you're not interrupting each other. This is a great floor plan if you're looking for a small 25-foot Class B+. Again, my name is Chris Red. I'm here at Johnson RV. If you have any questions about leisure travel products or other floor plans that you'd like to know about, please give me a call. Thank you very much for watching my video. I look forward to hearing from you.